I'm going to talk to you about 8 lucrative and in-demand side hustles that you can use to make money, and also you can turn these side hustles to be big businesses. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Vivette, and we talk about personal finance tips, personal development, and ways to make money. So if this is something that is interested to you, please subscribe to the channel, please like the videos, please share the videos, and comment on the videos. So many persons are looking for ways to make extra money on the side, and with the rise of the gig economy, there are more opportunities than ever to do so. Whether you're looking for a full-time income or just some extra cash, here are 8 lucrative and in-demand side hustles that you can consider to start making some money. Number one is online tutoring. I've spoken about this on many times on my channel. So online tutoring, with the shift to online learning, the demand for online tutors has increased dramatically. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can make money by teaching others online. So you can teach whatever language, either English, French, Spanish, Chinese. It doesn't matter. You can even teach arts and craft. You can teach persons how to dance, how to sing, how to just do anything, just about anything you can teach online. Number two is freelance writing. So writing is a versatile and in-demand skills that can be used to make money in a variety of ways. Whether you're a blogger, you're a copywriter, or a content creator, there are many opportunities to make money as a freelance writer. And you can do so as a freelance writer on a platform called Fiverr.com, which is a freelancing website that you can sign up for free. The link is in the description if you want to check it out. But this is a great way in which if you want to start your side hustle, you can use Fiverr, or you can use other freelancing websites like Upwork or freelancer.com. Number three, you can be a virtual assistant. So many small businesses owners and entrepreneurs are in need of virtual assistants to help them with tasks such as email management, social media, and data entry. If you have strong organizational skills and experience with online tools, this can be a great side hustle for you that you can make a lot of money. Number four, you can become a graphic designer. As many businesses go online, there's a growing demand for graphic designers to create logos, websites, and other marketing materials. If you have skills in graphic designs, you can make money by creating designs for others. Number five, you can do online selling. With the rise of e-commerce, there are now many opportunities to make money by selling products online, whether you're selling your own handmade items or you can become an affiliate marketer. There are many ways to make money by selling products online. Number six, you can do a delivery service. So with the rise of food delivery and other on-demand skills services, there are growing demands for drivers. If you have a car, you can make money by delivering food or other goods to customers. Number seven, social media management. There are so many platforms for social media. You have Facebook, you have Instagram, you have Twitter, you have TikTok, you have Pinterest. You can become a social media manager. So, with the growing importance of social medias for businesses, many companies are in need of people to manage their social media accounts. If you have experience with social media management and are good at creating content and engaging with followers, this can be a great side hustle for you. So you can create Instagram posts, Facebook posts, Instagram Reel, Facebook Reels, TikTok videos, you name it. you can offer so many services to small businesses and entrepreneurs. Number 8, podcasting. Podcasting is a great way in which you can make money while sharing your thoughts, your ideas, and experiences to a specific niche audience. Podcasts are relatively easy to produce and can be monetized through sponsorship, affiliate marketing, or by selling products or services to listeners. Number 9, which is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is basically you recommending a product or service that you may use, and you find that it is of value to you. You can promote that on your platform to other persons, and you can share a particular link, so when the persons click on that link and purchase the items, you can make a commission from this. So these are just a few of the many ways on this that you can make money on the side. The key is to find something that you are passionate about and that you are good at, and then figure out how to monetize that skill on the internet. With the right approach and a bit of hard work, you can turn your side hustle into a profitable and lucrative business. So if you love this content, guys, if you reach this far in the video, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel as YouTube will push it to other persons. Please subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend, share the videos, leave a comment down below, and you can also suggest other ways you can make money online or offline, and if you have ever tried any of these side hustles. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye everyone.